In Nigeria, the dream of owning a home can turn into a nightmare. We see it in the news too often: buildings collapsing, lives lost, and investments turning to rubble. While there are many reasons for these tragedies, one of the most common and preventable causes is the use of substandard construction materials. The foundation of a safe, strong building isn't just in the design, it's in the very cement, steel, and blocks that give it life. From the cement that binds everything together to the steel that provides its skeleton, every single component matters. In this guide, we will explore the most common materials that fail on construction sites across Nigeria and, more importantly, show you how to identify them so you can build with confidence and ensure your structure stands strong for generations to come. Let's start with cement, the glue of construction. The market is flooded with fake or expired products that severely compromise concrete strength. Fake cement often contains impurities or has the wrong chemical composition. Expired cement, which has been exposed to moisture, becomes lumpy and loses its binding power. When you buy cement, first check the packaging for a clear brand name and a recent manufacturing date. It shouldn't be older than 3 months. A good quality cement should feel cool and smooth when you touch it, not warm or gritty. It should also be a uniform greyish colour. If you see lumps that don't break easily between your fingers, that's a major red flag. The cement has likely absorbed moisture and is no longer effective. Using bad cement means your concrete will never reach its required strength, leading to cracks and potential failure. Next is the skeleton of your building, the steel reinforcement bars or rebars. Two major problems here are undersized and rusted rods. Some suppliers sell 10mm rods as 12mm, cheating you of the strength your engineer specified. Always use a caliper to measure the diameter on site. Also, be wary of excessive rust. While a light film of surface rust is acceptable, heavy, flaky rust that reduces the rod's diameter is dangerous. It weakens the steel and prevents it from bonding properly with the concrete. For critical structural elements, always insist on high tensile, ribbed bars, not smooth, mild steel ones. The ribs help the steel grip the concrete, creating a much stronger bond. Ensure your rebars are stored properly on site, stacked on blocks off the ground to protect them from moisture and prevent further rusting. Now let's talk about blocks. Poorly molded blocks are a widespread issue. They are often made with an incorrect sand to cement ratio, using too much sand to save money. This results in weak, porous blocks that can crack or crumble under load. A good block should have sharp, well-defined edges and a uniform texture. When you tap two good blocks together, you should hear a clear, sharp ringing sound, not a dull thud. Another critical step often skipped is curing. Blocks must be kept damp for at least 7 days after they are molded to allow the cement to hydrate and gain its full strength. A simple on-site test is the drop test. A well-made, properly cured block should not shatter when dropped from about waist height. Using weak blocks is like building a house of cards. It's a disaster waiting to happen. The quality of your sand and aggregate is just as important as the cement. Not all sand is suitable for making concrete. Sand with high clay or silt content, often called muddy sand, is a major problem. These fine particles prevent the cement from properly bonding with the sand grains, resulting in weak concrete. You should also avoid using unwashed sea sand, as the salt in it can corrode the reinforcement steel over time. The ideal sand for concrete, often called sharp sand or river sand, has coarse, angular grains of varying sizes. A simple test you can do on site is the bottle test. Put some sand in a clear bottle, fill it with water, shake vigorously and let it settle. A thick layer of silt or clay forming on top of the sand is a clear sign that it's poor quality and needs to be washed or rejected. So how do you protect your investment? It comes down to vigilance and diligence. Always buy your materials from reputable, trusted suppliers. Don't be tempted by prices that seem too good to be true. They usually are. Insist on getting a proper receipt for every purchase. Whenever possible, conduct simple on-site tests for every new batch of materials that arrives. Don't assume that because the last batch was good, the next one will be too. Most importantly, hire qualified and experienced professionals, an architect, a structural engineer, and a competent site supervisor to oversee your project. Their expertise is your best insurance against costly and dangerous mistakes. By being proactive and refusing to compromise on quality, you can ensure that your building is not just a structure but a safe and lasting legacy.